can't believe after Pax fuck Ashley, and really go back to Ashley? Why? When you read, I have to go do a checkup. I have to go do a checkup. I'm trying to fuck Pops. And really go back to her?
Take your fuck. I took mine. Look, yeah. I took my fuck. It was good. Go for it. Fuck. Do not go into a relationship. He is a cheater. He has cheated from the moment I met him. He knows how to make you feel loved. He knows how to make you feel loved and like you're the only one on this earth. He knows how to do his shit well. But don't go into no relationship with this man. He's a cheater. He cheated from the very first moment that we were together up until the very last moment. He got into a relationship with somebody when we never even left. I warned that person about him. I showed her all the proof that she could have wanted about the fact that he lied and that your relationship is not built on a strong... Now, maybe he can't breed nobody, or maybe we were just not compatible, because not always, two people cannot always breed, no matter if you guys are two healthy people. Like, it's God's decision who gets children together. You understand what I'm saying? So I was never his baby mom, and I have said it before. Yes, we were actively trying to get pregnant, but it never worked. And that was either me or him, or we were just not compatible, and that's it. TJ told me the phone came like that. Mr. Guys, I said, yo, you cannot be such a fucking liar. Everybody lie. TJ lie. Italian lie. They all lie and cover up for him. They all do. When I caught this man in his phone giving back shots, he told me that one of his dogs over wherever sent the video to him to show him like, oh, look, I had sex with this girl. I'm like, Jayden, I know your legs. I know your feet. Look at your slipper. You just bought this one yesterday. You just wore those shoes. Like, you are trying to lie. Like, you are a liar. Fabbi make Fabbi Goodly laugh right now. I quote, those are his exact words. He's saying, I'm not going to do no hiding thing with you. I'm just going to come out brawling. That's what he told you, Paris. I was laying on his chest and having this conversation going on. Like, I'm not lying. And you know how many times I tell these women that I'm hearing all this conversation. I'm literally telling it to them, and they are still choosing to be with him. Like, it's really not... I'm trying to save y'all. I am doing the work so that I can save y'all, and y'all are still falling for it. Like, I am done. I'm walking away from this shit after this. Like, I did my little 1-2, and y'all have to figure out what y'all want to do after this, y'all. I am done. Anyways, he's telling Paris, like, you know what, let's see where we're gonna go. We can see.
It's a pillar talk. Fabbi will tell Jayden everybody where they fight, where they tell us to do the back with him. Them is Mick and Mark. Them is Jack and Jill, without the domestic ill. Them is Bonnie and Clyde. Them is Mick, Mac, and Mac, and Mick, and Macat. I told Papi show them. Remember saying when Fabbi look, she never come road. Fabbi watch be a Powerpuff Girl, be a Tina Turner, and be a SpongeBob Fabbi watch. Fabbi look on Fabbi is a nerd. Fabbi watch be a Tina Turner and Blood Class, SpongeBob, and Walkie Talkie, Cartoon, and Clifford the Big Red Dog. And I'm the Map, and Dora, Scooby-Doo, where are you? I made them cartoon that Fabbi watched. You have to understand that Fabbi is an inside. She's an inside girl. You have to understand that. But listen, I have say to you still. Fabbi come right back to Jayden. So when you act up on the blood class, come out a woman and man thing. Leave them alone, them young. Leave them alone. Don't go enough upon the blood clot self. Leave them alone.
He inhales like 2 fucking times. He ends up coughing, running to the room, and I don't know what he did because I stayed outside. So I smoked till I was done. I went into the room, I saw him laying on the bed, and things happened. Things happened. He ends up leaving. He's going to the party. That's why you saw him with one side of his hair braided, the other side was sketched up because I didn't ever finish his hair. He would draw more money from TikTok. So it was only Saturday. The first was going to be on Sunday, but because my TikTok is in a different time zone, after like 6 or 7 in the nighttime here, it's already the next day in the Netherlands. So I could withdraw on Saturday already. So I withdrew the money, and I ended up sending the money back to the Airbnb guy and fixing it like that. And then I was like, you know what? I'm going to leave from here because this Airbnb is too expensive for me to stay in. I'm just going to go find a cheaper one. That's what I said. So, okay, I texted him. I said, listen, I don't need you anymore. I fixed it. Stay away from me. You're crazy. You don't care. and I left it